Papa Philippine. Jovi umi dito kasam. Happy birthday ma. Misa na ako na good health o more birthday to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, tita. God bless po. I miss you. Sorry, hindi ako nakabisita. Gusto ko sana magbisita sa Jensen. Kaso, short sa time. Ingat po lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mother! We miss you and we love you, Mother. Sana po stay healthy and we hope to see you again soon po. We love you, Mother. Bye po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama! Sana good health lagi para sa'yo, okay? And then more birthdays to come.
Yes. And sana po makabalik po kayo dito. And with the kids, and with Papa, Kaka. And Jesus name, declare natin yan. So, good health po, and ingat po palagi. We miss you here, and we
We love you, Mama. Love you. Mwah.